1. Anglerfish, Lophiiformes. One of the most famous deep-sea creatures, the anglerfish, is known for its eerie appearance and bioluminescent lure. Found at depths of 200 to 2,000 meters, 656 to 6,561 feet, this predatory fish has a fleshy growth on its head that glows due to symbiotic bacteria. This light attracts unsuspecting prey in the darkness of the deep ocean. Anglerfish are also known for their bizarre reproductive strategy. In some species, the tiny male permanently fuses with the female, relying on her body for nutrients while providing sperm in return. This parasitic mating ensures they can reproduce in the vast, sparsely populated deep sea. Despite their terrifying looks, oversized mouths filled with needle-like teeth, anglerfish are relatively small, with females typically ranging from 10 to 25 centimeters, 4 to 10 inches, in length. They symbolize the mysterious and extreme adaptations required for survival in the deep sea. 2. Goblin shark, Mitsucarina ostoni. The goblin shark is often called a living fossil, as it has remained largely unchanged for millions of years. It lives at depths of 200 to 1,300 meters, 656 to 4,265 feet, but can go deeper. This shark is instantly recognizable due to its elongated, flattened snout and protruding, extendable jaws filled with sharp, nail-like teeth. Goblin sharks use a unique ambush hunting technique. Their jaws can suddenly extend forward, like a slingshot, to snatch prey in a fraction of a second. Their pinkish, translucent skin reveals blood vessels beneath the surface, giving them a ghostly appearance. These sharks are rarely seen by humans, as they prefer deep waters near continental slopes. They are sluggish compared to other sharks but rely on stealth in their highly sensitive snouts to detect the faint electric signals of prey. 3. Giant isopod, Bathynomus giganteus. Imagine a pill bug the size of a house cat. The giant isopod is a deep-sea crustacean that can grow up to 76 centimeters, 30 inches, long. It belongs to the same group as shrimp and crabs but has an armored exoskeleton and a segmented body adapted for surviving in the deep sea, at depths of 170 to 2,500 meters, 558 to 8,200 feet. Giant isopods are scavengers, feeding on the remains of dead marine animals that sink to the ocean floor. They have a slow metabolism, allowing them to survive long periods, sometimes years, without food. When they do find a meal, they gorge themselves, storing energy for extended periods of scarcity. Their compound eyes help them detect even the faintest light in the abyss, and their spiny legs allow them to crawl along the ocean floor efficiently. Despite their intimidating appearance, they pose no threat to humans and are an essential part of the deep-sea ecosystem. 4. Vampire squid, Vampiroteuthis infernalis. Despite its terrifying name, the vampire squid is neither a true squid nor an octopus. It is a unique deep-sea cephalopod found at depths of 600 to 900 meters, 2,000 to 3,000 feet. Unlike squids, it does not have ink but instead releases a bioluminescent mucus cloud when threatened. With its dark red, gelatinous body and webbed tentacles, the vampire squid looks like something from a horror movie. It has large, blue eyes that can change color depending on the surrounding light. Unlike most cephalopods, it doesn't actively hunt but instead feeds on marine snow, a mixture of organic debris drifting down from the surface. One of its most distinctive behaviors is the pumpkin posture, where it curls its arms over its head, exposing spiny projections that deter predators. The vampire squid is a perfect example of how deep-sea creatures evolve extraordinary adaptations to survive in extreme conditions. 5. Deep-sea dragonfish, Grammatostemias flagellobarba. The deep-sea dragonfish is a fierce predator living at depths of 200 to 2,000 meters, 656 to 6,561 feet. It has a long, serpentine body, large, fang-like teeth, and a bioluminescent lure on its chin that attracts unsuspecting prey. Unlike many deep-sea creatures that rely on blue bioluminescence, the dragonfish can emit red light, which most deep-sea animals cannot see. This gives it a unique advantage: it can spot prey without being detected. It has a specialized set of hinged jaws, allowing it to swallow prey larger than itself. Despite its small size, typically around 15 centimeters or 6 inches long, the dragonfish is one of the most effective predators in the deep sea. 6. Yeti crab, Kiwa hirsuta. Discovered only in 2005, the yeti crab is a bizarre crustacean found near hydrothermal vents at depths of 2,200 meters, 7,200 feet. It gets its name from the hairy, white bristles covering its claws and body. These bristles, or setae, hosts symbiotic bacteria that help detoxify harmful chemicals from the hydrothermal vents. Scientists believe the yeti crab may farm bacteria on its claws by waving them in mineral-rich vent waters, later consuming the bacteria as food. It is blind, as eyesight is useless in its extreme environment. These crabs cluster near hydrothermal vents where temperatures fluctuate wildly. Their adaptation to such a hostile world makes them one of the strangest and most fascinating deep-sea creatures. 7. Barreleye fish, Macropina microstoma. Perhaps one of the most alien-looking deep-sea creatures, the barreleye fish has a completely transparent head. Found at depths of 600 to 800 meters, 2,000 to 2,600 feet, it has large, tube-shaped eyes encased in a fluid-filled dome. This fish's barrel-shaped eyes are highly sensitive and can rotate inside its head, allowing it to look forward, upward, and even sideways without moving its body. This helps it detect bioluminescent prey in the dark. The barreleye's transparent head is thought to protect its sensitive eyes from the stinging tentacles of siphonophores, gelatinous creatures it often steals food from. This remarkable adaptation allows it to thrive in the twilight zone of the ocean.